You're listening to Nuestra Gente with Linda Parra.
Amigos oyentes, buenas tardes tengan todos ustedes. Bienvenidos nuevamente a Nuestra Gente Radio Show here with Linda Parra, and we are here with another interesting interview today. We are with Judge Lisa McGowan. Welcome to the show.
Thank you for having me.
You're welcome. Thank you for joining us today. So we're gonna know a little bit more about you. So people is gonna see who is Judge Lisa McGowan and know about yourself and your job and all those things that you do every day. Okay?
Okay.
So, mis amigos, estamos acá con la juez Lisa McGowan. Ella está corriendo para la corte de acá de Toledo en la sección de Domestic Relations Division. So she is running for re-election for a judge of the Court's Domestic Relations Division. So tell us a little bit about yourself, Judge McGowan.
Okay, thank you. Well, I'm originally from Rome, New York, which is a very small town in central New York. I was born and raised there, and I was basically the first person in my family to go to college, and I have an undergrad in management with an emphasis on accounting, and I moved to Toledo in 1990 to attend the University of Toledo Law School, where I graduated in 1992 in that December, and then I was licensed as an attorney the May of 1993. And I went into practice, and then I came to the Domestic Relations Court in 1999, and I have been there to the present day. I worked there for Judge Lee Medowski. I was his law clerk, staff attorney, bailiff. I was then promoted to magistrate of the court before I ran for office, and I was elected to my position as judge in 2014. So I'm running for re-election for my second term.
For your second term.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's say it in Spanish now.
Okay.
Estamos acá, mis amigos, con la juez Lisa McGowan. Ella se graduó en la Universidad de Toledo en 1992, mis amigos, como abogada. Ha trabajado en la corte de acá de Toledo en los diferentes departamentos hasta llegar a ser magistrada. Cuando ocupó la posición de magistrada, corrió para ser juez y está ejerciendo la profesión, está haciendo el cargo como juez en la corte de acá del condado de Lucas, en la división de relaciones domésticas desde el 2014 y está corriendo para un nuevo término en estas elecciones del noviembre 3. Así que ella nos está acompañando aquí en Nuestra Gente Radio Show, mis amigos. Así que vamos a hablar un poquito con ella más sobre su trabajo. We're going to make you two questions, Judge McGowan. So the first question is, what do you perceive as the greatest obstacles to justice, if any? ¿Cuáles crees que son los mayores obstáculos para la justicia, si los hay?
Well, that's a very good question. It's also difficult to answer. I don't know if there's a greatest obstacle. And in domestic relations court, we deal with families. So I don't think we think of justice in the same way as, say, a criminal court, where somebody's guilty or not guilty type thing. We're trying to get families through a really very difficult time in their lives. And a lot of times, neither the husband nor the wife end up leaving happy. I mean, I think both parties can sometimes feel unhappy when it's over because not everybody necessarily gets what they want. Maybe somebody thought they should get more money or more of this asset or things of that nature. It's kind of a different kind of balance. So I think with family law, I don't know if you can describe it in terms of justice, if that makes sense. But we try to do the best for that family, and especially if there's children involved, because you want those children, everything really should be in the best interest of the kids and get them through this difficult process where they still have a relationship with both parents, and hopefully the parents can walk away from a really bad situation, a bad marriage, and still be able to co-parent and, be there for their children. So I don't know if justice is the right
Sometimes
word,
it's
but
not
you want
easy.
fairness. You want
Yeah.
fairness for
Yeah.
all parties, the parents, the children. You want everyone to walk away with some stability in their lives. So hopefully that answers the
Sometimes
question.
it's not easy.
It's not. I mean, because
sometimes
you're
our
dealing.
couples make it easy. Sometimes others make it.
Well, and
really
you're dealing with
difficult.
emotions, and you've had a lifetime with this person, and you've made a family, and now it's changing.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's difficult.
Okay. So, su respuesta es a la pregunta de que ¿cuáles cree que son los mayores obstáculos para la justicia si es que los hay? La jueza Lisa McGowan nos dice que no está segura si haya obstáculos porque no es como los casos criminales. Ella atiende más casos de familia, como casos de divorcio, separaciones. Y dice que en los casos de familia se trata más que todo es que esas parejas que compartieron durante muchísimos años, tratar de conseguir la mejor forma de que puedan continuar una relación saludable para sus hijos, si hay los hijos en la familia. Entonces, cuando se trata de casos de familia en la corte doméstica, se busca es que todos salgan beneficiados, pero con más importancia los niños, que los niños puedan seguir con la relación de los padres después de un divorcio también. Esa es la respuesta. And we're going to do the second question, Judge McGowan. The second question is, what have been the most effective methods for improving court procedures, efficiency? What other methods would you suggest? ¿Cuál han sido los métodos más eficaces para mejorar los procedimientos y la eficiencia de los tribunales? ¿Qué otros métodos sugerirías?
Well, I think especially right now with the whole COVID going on, I mean, our courts had to shut down for a period of time, and then we opened back up first through Zoom, and now I'm doing hearings in person as well as through Zoom. And what I've found through that is that a lot of people really appreciate the ability to do court proceedings by Zoom. For example, I've had divorce hearings and dissolutions with people on their work breaks. They're in their car and they don't have to come downtown and pay for parking. So it's been very convenient for a lot of people. Mm-hmm. We've also found out that because we serve all of Lucas County, we do have certain areas where persons don't have the Wi-Fi capability. So they appreciate the ability to come in person and get their hearings done. So I think that's been helpful. I think that will continue for the convenience of people. And it was kind of a strange way to find out that worked.
Mm-hmm. How to figure it out.
Just to make things easier for people to get their cases done. So I think that's been really helpful, and I believe that will continue even when we get through all of this, and I think we will continue to provide those options to the public, because what works for them, we're there to serve the public. So if it helps them, I'm happy to accommodate.
Good. That's pretty good. So, una de la segunda pregunta que le hicimos es cuáles han sido los métodos más eficaces para mejorar los procedimientos y la eficiencia de los tribunales y qué otros métodos sugeriría. Nos comenta la juez McGowan que con la pandemia se han utilizado nuevos métodos, por ejemplo, el Zoom para hacer los juicios a través de las pantallas en Zoom, o también personas que tienen acceso a los teléfonos pueden hacerlo desde sus teléfonos conectándose al Zoom. Lo hacen en sus tiempos de libres en el trabajo, en sus breaks en el trabajo, y así ellos pueden tener sus casos ya completados. No tienen que estar esperando a que pase la pandemia para que entonces un caso pueda ser definido y se tome una decisión en sus casos. They don't have to wait too long until this is over with the pandemic. So ha sido un método muy eficaz utilizar los medios como el Zoom para los casos de relaciones domésticas, también, por supuesto, hay personas que no tienen acceso al Wi-Fi. Y esas personas que no tienen acceso al Wi-Fi, pues vienen a la corte a hacer sus casos personalmente, como ocurrió anteriormente, en la forma tradicional, hacer presencia dentro de la corte. Pero nos comenta que ha funcionado muy bien haciendo los juicios a través del Zoom y que lo más probable es que continúen ofreciendo esta opción a las personas con sus casos en la corte a través del Zoom si ellos lo prefieren también. Ha sido una de las alternativas positivas dentro de este proceso con la pandemia para los casos de la corte doméstica acá en el condado de Lucas. Anything else that you would like to say, Judge McGowan?
I would just like to thank you for having me here, and I appreciate it. I'm sure the public appreciates it. I've seen a lot of your interviews with other candidates. I think you're providing a great service, and that's what we do. I mean, we serve the public, and everything you're doing to get the word out is very much appreciated.
Thank you.
So thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. So telling us that you're running for?
Lucas County Court of Common Pleas Domestic Relations Division, and this would be my second full term.
Okay. Again, aquellos que, I'm going to say, if somebody's watching that know you because they've been there before, there she is. She is joining us today and is going for re-election in this November 3rd, mis amigos. Ella está corriendo para ser reelegida el 3 de noviembre acá en la corte del condado de Lucas. Mis amigos, hemos llegado hasta acá, hasta el final del programa. I want to thank you again for joining us today and the best luck.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it.
Mañana tendremos otra interesante entrevista para todos ustedes. Les habló Linda Parra a través de Nuestra Gente Radio Show. Les quiero mucho y será hasta la nueva oportunidad. Chao.